Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you which iPhone 17 Pro cases protect your camera the best. Okay, so there are gonna be different types of camera protection, and all cases that I have protect your camera. There may be some cases out there in the world that will not. I'll explain why. By the way, all the cases will be linked in the description down below, so feel free to check them out and order them. And now let's get to our cases, right? So the first type of camera protection, the most classic one, is gonna be just this like part of the back of the case is gonna be standing out like that, which is gonna be covered, which is gonna cover your camera. So if you lay it on a table, this is, by the way, why does it speak Spanish? Never mind. It's the JETech case, and it's gonna be linked, of course. As you can see right here, it does cover your camera. The cameras are not sticking out anymore. So if you lay it on a table, the case is gonna touch the table, not your cameras. And it's just a very, very classic type of coverage. And on this one, it's just hard plastic here. So that is worth minding that it's just hard plastic, which is fine, but not the most protective. Also, by the way, for the cases that have both plastic and TPU, plastic on the back, TPU on the side, it means that there's a chance that this back hard plastic may detach from the TPU after a while, after a year or two. So it's also worth mentioning. Although I will be showing you cases that I do trust aren't gonna detach, so yeah, we'll be getting to that. Now another type is also gonna be very similar, but this time it's metal coverage. This is a Benks case. It's a Benks Armor Air. It's also linked in the description down below. The Air version comes in like this type with a very thin side, but also not too protective. If you care about your screen protection, I would recommend a case like this. This is Armor Pro, and it comes with TPU here, so it also goes over your screen a little bit and covers that part as well, and also covers your buttons, so that's great. Although this one is for the Pro, the one that I've shown you a moment ago was for Pro Max, so I can't really put that on. And yeah, it has the metal here, so it just covers it with metal. I think that's also great. And it's this case specifically is very, very thin and super light. It's made of Kevlar's fiber, which is similar to carbon fiber, but cheaper and better when it comes to temperature tolerance and better when it comes to drops. So yeah, but less tough than carbon fiber. Now, another type of camera protection, now we are getting to something actually different. It's gonna be, trying to find the case, the one that I wanted to show you the most. Hold on a second. Okay, this is the one. Yeah. This is also JETech, and this one actually covers the back plate of your camera. And you can see here, it just goes like your phone's chassis did. You can see it's just flat here. It's flat here, but it's sticking out around the camera, so it's giving your cameras a little bit more coverage, which is great. This case, by the way, is really thin as well, but I think it may be resistant enough. Now, the problem about this type of case, which this case is fine and I do like it, if you do like it, feel free to order it, but the problem about it is that it doesn't have additional like edge sticking out here, and we're getting to that now. I won't be testing out all the cases on the phone, but this is a Spigen, and it has a little seam here, a little edge here. It's not the toughest, but it's fine, I guess. It adds a little more protection, and it's great. Now, another one is gonna be also Spigen, which is very similar. It's basically the same type of edge here. Now we also have a case that has both edge here and around the camera. So that's even more protection. This is Canchen. I'll actually show you the box. Canchn. And this is how it looks. Gives your camera more protection, and it's very hard here. This is hard plastic here, not TPU. The TPU is here. And the last case from the camera protective ones is this one. And yeah, it does not have an edge here, but the edge here on the outer part of the camera bump is just thicker. So I think it's giving you more protection by that. And this is the Tokol case. It's also listed in the description down below, so don't worry about it. And yeah, I'm gonna test it out actually. This is how it looks. It's going really cool. And that's basically it about the cases. And now I wanted to show you also the case that doesn't have like the problem with the seam here. And and this is the Taurus case. It's also gonna be listed. The Taurus cases actually also have hard plastic and TPU, but the seam is built differently, so it just should be more durable. And that's about it. I hope that this video was helpful. Check out the links in the description down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.